Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Instagram app is not working on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings, and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and again make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that go back and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then just simply open the App Store and search here for Instagram, and from here guys we have to just simply update the app from here. So guys, after updating the app, check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply open settings again, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and tap on Instagram app, simply offload the app, and after that just simply download and install the latest version of Instagram app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.